Karens aren't just harassing grocery store workers and Starbucks baristas. They're also in the courtroom, throwing all kinds of tantrums. Deborah Hunter is best known as COVID Karen.
It was video that sparked outrage. A woman absolutely refusing to wear a mask, coughing right in the face of another shopper who was filming her. Now, as Amber Cagliano reports, the woman is learning her punishment.
Deborah, accompanied by her daughter, was shopping in a store when her belief that the mask mandate didn't apply to her became evident, likely due to her perceived entitlement. Caught on camera, Deborah's actions took a disrespectful turn. What escalated the situation was the context. It occurred during the peak of a pandemic. Adding further gravity, she decided to cough on Heather Sprague, a cancer patient with her own health risks. The consequences were severe. The act of coughing in the face of someone already vulnerable physically and psychologically was deemed an intentional attack. Deborah faced charges and received a 30-day jail sentence. During her court statement, Deborah acknowledged her mistake and expressed remorse for the impact on her family. She highlighted the continuous embarrassment, chastisement, and mockery her children faced due to her actions.
I think I'll get real close to you and cough on you then. How's that?
The shocking video went viral last June. 53-year-old Deborah Hunter has just pleaded guilty to misdemeanor assault and appeared via Zoom for her sentencing hearing.
The remorse that I have and the guilt that I have that has occurred from that one very poor decision.
Maya Ponsetto gained notoriety as a Karen for racially profiling a 14-year-old child over an iPhone.
Black teenager of stealing her cell phone, then attacked him at a hotel in Soho. In video that went viral, has accepted a plea deal and will avoid jail time. The Manhattan DA says 23-year-old Maya Ponsetto pleaded guilty today to unlawful imprisonment in the second degree as a hate crime.
This incident not only captured the attention of the internet, but also led to personal news interviews on television. Maya accused 14-year-old Keon of stealing her iPhone, making a spectacle with claims like, "Take the case off, that's my phone." Her incredulous assertion that there's only one iPhone in the world added absurdity to the situation. Security surveillance footage captured Maya's subsequent attack on the boy, further fueling the viral nature of the incident.
Maya will be dealt with by law enforcement and hopefully be charged with the assault of our child. We are not interested in what she has to say.
TV host Gayle King addressed the situation with Maya, who expressed regret for her actions. Maya admitted she could have handled the situation differently, acknowledging the negative impact on the boy. Despite claiming to be a sweet person, she apologized for making him feel inferior. In an attempt to justify her behavior, Maya argued that one mistake shouldn't define her. However, she managed to avoid jail time through a plea deal, receiving 2 years of probation instead.
This morning, Maya Ponsetto, the 22-year-old California woman, now dubbed Soho Karen, is behind bars and could face criminal charges.
Are you kidding me? You feel like there's only one iPhone made in the world?
No, okay, then show me the
you get a life.
Penelope Soto, 18-year-old Penelope Soto, was incarcerated for the possession of Xanax bars. During a court hearing, Penelope's exchange with the judge takes an unexpected turn. When asked about her financial situation, she playfully mentions owning a significant amount of jewelry. In response, the judge sternly advises her to take the proceedings seriously, emphasizing the gravity of the situation. When questioned about the worth of her jewelry, Penelope attempts a light-hearted comparison, mentioning Rick Ross. Unimpressed, the judge denies appointing her a lawyer and suggests she can sell her jewelry to afford one. The judge sets a standard bond, starting at $5,000, but Penelope's snark ADN laughter prompts him to increase the bond to $10,000. Penelope is unfazed, and so the judge proceeds to find her in direct criminal contempt, sentencing her to 30 days in the county jail. As Penelope leaves the courtroom, the judge asserts his authority, emphasizing the consequences of her actions. Whether Penelope will learn from this experience remains uncertain. Lena, 54-year-old Lena from Long Beach, California, appears to be an adorable grandmother, but behind that sweet face is a whirlwind of hatred. Despite her seemingly sweet appearance, Lena has displayed a streak of racial animosity. In a disturbing incident, she unleashed a torrent of racially insensitive remarks.
You've probably seen it by now, a woman caught on camera directing racist tirades at people. Torrance police say they know who she is, but they still haven't found her. Eyewitness News reporter Eileen Frere has the story.
Go back to whatever Asian country you belong in.
Okay, race.
Threatening physical harm to anyone who dares to challenge her family. In a video capturing Lena's offensive outburst, she explicitly expresses discriminatory sentiments, instructing someone to leave the state and go back to their supposed Asian country. Her hateful comments escalate, revealing a disturbing side to this seemingly harmless grandma. The situation takes an unexpected turn when Lena confronts another individual on the same day.
The same day in the same park, Hernandez also verbally attacked a 42-year-old Asian American man who happened to park his car next to the woman's vehicle, his 2 young children with him.
You understand me, China man?
Respect. Respect people. Lady,
I understand your language.
respect.
Harassing her victim and telling him he is going to jail. In both instances, Lena resorts to intimidation and offensive language, emphasizing her disdain for people of different races. Following public outrage and the viral nature of the videos, an investigation is initiated. However, authorities face challenges in locating Lena as she evades their attempts to bring her to justice. Despite her elusive tactics, the law catches up with her, resulting in an arrest on a bench warrant. In court, Lena pleads no contest and is sentenced to 45 days in jail, coupled with a year of anger management. This legal consequence serves as a response to her unapologetic display of bigotry, emphasizing the societal stance against hate speech and discrimination.
A South Bay mother is speaking out now in hopes of clearing her name. Now, police confirmed that Vicky Weibel was misidentified on social media as the woman responsible for several racist attacks in Torrance.
Amanda Stiles. Amanda Stiles and her ex-husband Ryan found themselves in court for a custody hearing. The court, led by an assertive figure, attempted to conduct a drug and psychiatric evaluation on Amanda. However, Amanda's courtroom theatrics and objections quickly turned the proceedings into a chaotic scene. As the judge directed the discussion, Amanda interrupted with requests for time to secure an attorney. The judge maintained order, advising Amanda to voice her objections without yelling. Despite the judge's efforts, Amanda continued her disruptive behavior, prompting the judge to silence her temporarily. When it came to the request for a drug test, Amanda objected, citing marijuana use and expressing reluctance to pay for the test. Her admission of daily marijuana use raised legal concerns, especially given that marijuana is illegal in Texas. Amanda's attempt to justify her actions by referring to the legality of marijuana in California only added to the confusion. The court-appointed Karen continued to challenge the judge's authority, closing her screen and refusing to undergo a psychological evaluation. The judge, undeterred, imposed sanctions on Amanda, including a fine of $100 for contempt of court. Despite repeated warnings, Amanda persisted in her disruptive behavior, resulting in additional fines and scheduling conflicts. The judge, maintaining composure, addressed Amanda's objections and violations, eventually imposing fines and scheduling further hearings to address the contemptuous conduct. The courtroom drama concluded with a reflection on the past marriage between Amanda and Ryan, leaving the audience with a sense of the tumultuous proceedings. Which Karen's behavior did you find the most abhorrent? Comment below and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.